So here's the Type A with the Triarc. 11.5-inch suppressed only barrel. Shooting PMC bronze. We're getting like a perfect 4 o'clock ejection, 4:30. Keep it rolling. Super optimized. Get a little closer on this bolt carrier. Yeah, stand right there because they're going this way. They're going perfect 45. Not enough to get locked back though. So we gotta figure something out on that. I know most people are gonna give me shit for this, but hey, the whole hand drill worked. I did not lose accuracy. I maintained it. 100-yard groups are still good. 50-yard groups, amazing. Did not affect the accuracy once again. Clear out the metal. Some of it was just dirty grease from the chamber. Okay. Looks looking good. Quad rail. Split of arms gas block all the way opened, but not on the bypass setting. Q cherry bomb on the Triarc 11.5 barrel. Got 4 rounds of PMC. Let's see if it's gonna run. No, last round lock back. Let me watch that video. I think we'll get locked back. Lock back. I don't know exactly what I opened the gas port up to, but it's, as you can tell, gas block's all the way open and it's not locking back, but still give me about a 4:30 ejection. Non-suppressed. Fuck yeah. Lock back. Alright, still 50-yard zero. Or maybe 60. I don't know. Pretty decent distance. I need to get my rangefinder here and confirm. Well, as you see in this clip, the barrel maintained its accuracy after doing the backyard gunsmithing. But somebody asked, why suppressed only barrel? It runs cleaner. In my case, I just wasn't lucky enough. Only suppressor I have is a 30 cal can, and this barrel was developed around the RC2 where there's higher back pressure, with it being a 5.56 can. Yeah, but drilled it out a little bit. Now it runs flawlessly, as you can see in this video and the next, with my flow-through can. It still doesn't lock back without a suppressor. It's just shy of it. I mean, it shoots everything about 4:30 without a suppressor. Otherwise, it's running great.